Yeah.
1 minute, they were right. It was the clouds of that, the moon.
I know, I can't tell if the glasses are on.
And I don't want it to happen now.
1 minute and a minute.
Ahí va, está a punto de pasar.
This is creepy. I know.
It's so creepy right now.
Back. You go 3.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is kind of creepy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you can see it now.
Yeah.
Kids on the street. Kids are running down the street.
Oh, look at there's a star over there. That's probably, that one, let me see if I can
I can't even see it. Oh, I think he moved. I think he moved.
You guys have to live with the flashlight. Like you have to. So, okay.
There's the glass there.
Like for sure.
He's like, I'm going through.
Here's my escape. It's night time. They let me out.
Why the hell am I out here? Where's my food?
Like we're off to one side. We're not the center of totality. Yeah, look quick. Yeah. You can see so much more.
I know.
You can see there's a tiny point of light right at the bottom. Yeah, one of the, yeah. You did that one with Jupiter? Nice. Like there's a heron. There's like a night heron flying over. I'm like, yeah, at 5 o'clock.
Maybe it's.
Yeah, I will take them back.
Where's the people that do stuff? Do camera stuff? What is this? Well, one of them was playing and like he ran into the window, like he was running and then he sat down. I was gonna put a timestamp out this morning. I sent that.
Yes.
He put a timestamp. It was like 1:43. God, I gotta stop looking at the sun. Needs a little retina damage.
I know, right?
We're fine.
I'm trying to go along with the rest of my day. Bye.
That was insane. That was the coolest thing ever.
Yeah.
All right, Eclipse reaction, go.
The Eclipse was great. That was
great.
That was really cool.
It was really cool, Mom.
It was really awesome. It was amazing.
That was the best thing ever as far as astronomy goes. It was fantastic.
nighttime. Yeah.
It was nighttime.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was at 1 p.m.
Nighttime at 1 p.m. You're right.